Good afternoon and welcome one and all. You join us for this match between the Hobart Hurricanes and the Melbourne Renegades. Players look ready, the umpires are in position for the first ball. The bowlers will want to focus on their line and lengths and let the ball do the rest. Thick edge! Big shout!
Good precision with the throw, back from the deep.
A big opportunity. They've worked hard in recent weeks. They should have the confidence to build an innings and get big runs on the board. A wonderful delivery to get the edge. They've got to keep hammering away at that spot time and again. Oh, the batsman couldn't get out of the way.
A little late on that, no run scored.
Brilliant bowling. Having got the edge the previous ball, they now know the areas they need to be hitting.
Yep.
Hit that hard, nailed it.
Perhaps that slipped out of the hand a little during the release. Finch didn't mind and sent it high and handsome over the boundary rope for 6.
Yes.
Just about timed that perfectly.
Judged the length absolutely beautifully, footwork was immaculate, but it was the hands that got that to the fence.
The whole team goes up for that one. They feel pretty confident about this.
A trudge back to the pavilion, a disappointing display in the end. For someone with such batting skills, this goes down as a fail.
A lot of pressure coming to the crease. Not had the best of weeks leading up to this game and will want to show everyone their strength.
Right on.
Couldn't get it through the field. Questions will begin to be asked. Should the captain make a change? A big over that one. Too many loose deliveries. A new bowler is coming into the attack.
Yep.
Nice shot.
What a lovely shot, really good timing, out of the middle, and it raced to the boundary.
Getting nicely settled at the crease now. Would have been really happy with that last shot.
Yep.
Sounded good the moment it hit the bat.
Onto the front foot early, placed it perfectly into the gap, timed it nicely for 4 more.
Don't need to do anything special. Line and length is the key.
Yes. That's it.
That's a long way up. Is there anyone there to catch it?
Nearly got through them, just got onto it in time with enough bat speed to pick up 4.
Time to keep the pressure on now. Great last ball to find the edge. It's just a case of finding the same spot.
Yep.
Lovely hook shot. Might even make it to the boundary. A couple on offer here.
Surprised they didn't go for a third, would have been a very simple run.
Yep.
Onto the front foot. Super shot. Should be 4.
It was just a little bit too full, and it was beautifully timed.
Marsh has got the big shot away this over. Now they can focus on playing the next ball on its merits.
Yep.
Strays onto leg and glanced it sweetly. Might just get to the boundary rope.
The Melbourne Renegades
The fielder could only pick that up off the boundary rope, punch that away through the covers with exquisite timing.
Going with spin now.
Play.
Straight to the fielder.
Short and wide. Did well to get some bat on that.
Misses everything.
A reckless heave. This batter is usually a bit more elegant in their stroke play than this. Poor batting.
Right on. Yeah.
Good bit of timing there.
You can't fault that shot. Nicely played, and it was 4 runs all the way.
Hold on.
That's out.
Yeah.
Caught.
The trudge back to the pavilion. A good start, but that's all they've managed. They did the hard work and threw it away in the end.
With the fall of that wicket, the new batter comes out to the crease. They're quick to take guard and face up.
Yeah, mate.
Ease through the field. There'll be runs here.
That was a boundary the moment the ball left the bat. Can't time that any better. Perfection.
Don't mind getting hit for runs. What's important is to focus on getting the next ball right.
Yep.
That's right out of the middle of the bat.
What a lovely shot, and it flew to the boundary. That's clearly not the type of delivery to be bowling.
12 runs added there. That stop. Great catch.
Oh dear, it's been a poor innings under pressure, and now they've got the key batter out cheaply.
New batter comes to the crease. Never an easy time to come in after the fall of a wicket.
Yeah.
And again, see you later, 2 wickets on the trot.
An innings that promised much and really, in the end, delivered very little. Pretty disappointing all round.
Coming to the wicket, they'll be looking to play within the V early and expand as they get settled.
Yep.
Too good. Not sure anyone is going to cut that off.
Got their head right in line with the ball. A beautiful strike there down the ground.
Do they go full? Do they go short? A lot to ponder after the boundary.
Yeah, mate.
Oh my, that's racing away.
A juicy delivery like that on leg stump isn't going to be missed by this batter. They just put it away.
Always difficult to focus after what happened last ball, but you just got to stay positive and believe the wicket will come.
Yep.
Power and precision in that shot.
Just need one of the cameramen to send that one back. A little bit of width, but clinically put away.
A good contest here at the moment. 4 off the last ball, and it'll be interesting to see how the bowler can respond.
Yep.
Nicked it, but that's going all the way.
Didn't time it at all, but managed to get it away to the boundary.
Playing all their shots in that over. A very expensive over. Prestwidge, the pace bowler, coming into the attack.
Yep.
Hit it sweetly first ball, and it's out of the ground.
Off the front foot, hit it with all the power and elegance of a batter right at the top of their game.
Boundary off the last ball. What's to come off this delivery, I wonder?
Yep.
That has gone very, very high. Might be safe.
Yeah!
What great reactions. Brilliant catch close in.
It's the sort of dismissal that sees the momentum swing back to the bowler. Gone, but not for many.
The field will come up now, you'd think. Pressure should definitely be on the new batter, who strides to the middle. They will be looking for another quick wicket. Finds the edge. Strong appeal. Gone. Another one goes. 2 wickets in 2 balls, and they're on a roll now. Difficult period as they come to the wicket. They'll take plenty of time to set themselves up before facing their first ball. Beaten on the drive.
Nice bowling.
Prestwich with a superb delivery. Got them trying to drive, but messing everything up.
Huge shout. The bowler seems very confident with that one. Fantastic catch.
Just managed to clasp their hands around that one. Disappointment for the batter, joy for the bowler. Another wicket down, this one without scoring.
Wait.
Collects that one, simple as you like, inside the ring. 6 runs added in that over. The Hurricanes are 22 for 5. Khan to finish this innings.
Catch it.
What a shot. First ball, smashed it.
Well, that's what you pay your entrance money for. It's flown into the crowd. A brilliant shot off the front foot. No need to move.
Maddinson, I don't think, will be too happy with their bowler at the moment. Oh, that's gone. Really unlucky.
The trudge back to the pavilion. A disappointing display in the end for someone with such batting skills. This one goes down as a fail.
It's a long way to walk out here just to walk straight back. They'll just want to get this first one behind them and then push on.
Yeah.
Middle, what a start.
Well, that's a waste of a delivery. Absolutely no trouble getting onto it and dispatching it for 6.
Khan shouldn't be too worried about that last ball. They've got them playing their shots, just need to tighten their areas now.
Yes.
Very quick out there, managing to stop it and preventing 4 runs.
Yep. Ballers.
There'll be 1 run here for them.
Nice and easy there to get off the mark.
Wow, that's missed the lot.
Nice.
Just threw the shots too early.
That sees the completion of the over. A good one too, not many opportunities to score.
This has been a famous victory.